Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do your window and door schedule. Basically you're going to start a new sheet and we're going to import a few things into it. In our browser here we're going to import our schedules from our windows and doors. That's these guys here. You're just dragging them across like any other view, and you're also going to import a ground floor view and a level 1 view if your building is 2 stories. Now let's just recap on how we import a view. We start off with our ground floor, and in this view you do all your modeling, so that's doors, furniture, windows, all that sort of stuff in this view. We then right click on it, duplicate view with detailing, and it creates a copy. We then rename that, and we've got it here as door and window schedule GF for ground floor. Okay, so within this view we need to take off all of our elevations, any components that are within the drawing. Okay, so like I was saying, you're going to remove your section lines, your elevations, anything that's not required. So basically all we require is our window and door tags and our walls. Okay, so to remove those, I'll quickly do it now on a copy that I just did of our level 1. So I've got ground floor, now I've got level 1, and it's still got all this stuff on it. So I go VG, and up it comes, and I'm going to take off anything I don't need. So entourage is normally people and all that sort of stuff. Furniture systems, I'm going to take off site, so that's my property line. And that's about it for now on this one. So I go into annotations. Now I'm going to take off, I'm going to keep all my door tags and make sure they're there. Remove elevations, sections, so that's the line that goes through your drawing. We don't need to know where that is on this one. And that's about it. I've got my window tags on, which is good. So apply and OK. So now I've got that basic drawing. Okay, so you'll notice that I've only got some bifold doors on this view, but the tags haven't come up. So if I go under annotate and then tag all and click OK, up come the tag numbers. Alright, you should be able to move them slightly away from your drawing. That will look a lot neater. You'll be able to tell that it's a bifold door and the numbers right beside it. Okay, so you're going to move them away slightly. Now if we go back into our sheet, I should be able to import that view. Just place it here for now, it's a bit big, and I'll go properties so that we can change the scale. I'll change it 1:200. Now I should be able to fit that in. Might move these around a little bit. Okay, it looks pretty messy at the moment. Double click on that and I'll just go no title. Double click on that and I'll go no title, because what you'll do, guys, is use annotate and put in a smaller text of your own title that says ground floor and then level 1 underneath here. I find that the text that they give you off the program is too big. Okay, so I've got both my views here. To get these guys in, all I've done is I've gone down to schedules, click on that, left click on it and drag it across. Now just like these views here, you're best off doing any changes in the actual schedule itself. So not on this page. I'll go back and go door schedule. Few things you're going to change. Okay, I think there is a column that says location. I've deleted it already. To delete a column, just right click on it and go hide columns. Alright, now I've got, so the mark is the number, so I'll just leave that there. The level, ground floor, happy with that. Alright, height, width, thickness, happy with that. Now China finish is a paint color, and frame material I've put finger joint pine, and for comments I've put stainless steel handles. So you make your own one up. The material, pine is the most common material used for doors. On commercial jobs you might find aluminium doors and stuff like that inside. Okay, but it's up to you how you do it. Okay, so you can put your own material in. With paint colours, all I did is I just went on Google and I typed in paint colours, and here's a paint company, Taubman's, and I found China Doll. I went, that's a nice colour, and I've used that name. That's all you guys have to do. So fill that out for the whole thing, cut and paste it if you wish. I'm not too worried, as long as this is all filled in and looks nice and pretty. Whatever you change here will get changed on your sheet. Okay, so when we go to window schedule, under window style, there's two main styles. You've got sliding or louver. There's your louvered window there. Okay, going back into REVIT, height, width, material, I put aluminium. Glazing, you could have clear or tint, so I've just put tint. Remarks, that it's sliding and it open left, so it opens on the left. Okay, all pretty simple stuff, guys. I haven't done it here, but I'd try and keep all your text in capitals, just so it's nice and neat. You could probably move this around so there's not so much white space here. Take it off this border, bring these in a bit, so just balance your sheet. And that's about it for now. Oh, the only other thing that I don't think I've mentioned is that in your drawing here, so I haven't moved these yet, but if you can't see the door or the window, chances are your view range, which is in your properties, click on your view range and make it about 1500. So that's the cut plane where they cut your building to see what's there. So if I make this 2700, chances are I'm going to lose a lot of my windows. So I'll just go to apply. Yep, so you can't see them now because it's cutting the building really high. I'll show you in a 3D view shortly. So I'll just change that back to 1500. Apply and OK. So that cut plane at 2700, it's cutting up the top here. At about 15, it would be cutting about halfway. Okay, so it's cutting through, and that's why you see the windows. When it's too high, you don't see them.